Ever heard of a Burmese curly ends on a Yaki straight wig? It's absolutely genius, and the lace melts so seamlessly with your skin. OQ Hair does not play. If you want to see how easy you can install this wig as well, keep watching. Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and just won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you are subscribed so that you can keep vibing with your girl. Now let's get straight into it, queen. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step to, but I'm back with a gorgeous Yaki straight wig with Burmese curly spirally ends from OQ Hair. It comes pre-everything, the works, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut with the 3 combs and that elastic string to pull it on tight, and a built-in skin-like cap for that parting to make it look like scalp. Girl, look at that lace. That HD lace melts seamlessly with your skin. Look at those curly, beautiful curly ends. This is genius. Like, have you ever heard of that before? With OQ Hair, always expect your wig to smell good. Okay? You heard it from me. Now, we're gonna install her. The usual, adjust the strap, add your lace tint. I expect to do very minimal work with this wig, and I did. I didn't do anything except add my melting spray, which I really didn't need to, but as usual, I'm extra. We're gonna pull that string in the back of the head to pull it tight and tuck it in. It's too easy. You can do this too. It's like putting on a pretty hat. The lace melts superbly. I'm gonna make that a word, superbly. Now we're gonna dab the melting spray to that seamless, beautiful lace, and we're gonna hot comb back the hairline just a little bit, and then we're gonna tie her down. That's it. I mean, that's literally the install. Look how seamless. I expect nothing but perfection from this wig company, one of my top faves. I mean, you saw for yourself. I didn't do a lot. I did the bare minimum, and so can you. Now you can find her linked in the description box below, along with every product I use in the description box. If you have made it this far, I truly appreciate you, girl. I really do, queen. I really do. Now give this video a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.